Let's try Utthan Pristhasana for all levels, lizard pose. Place the right foot in between your two hands, walk the right foot towards the edge of the mat, and you could be up here just to start out, or if you're a little bit more advanced, you can lower those hips more towards the ground. And if you want to take this a step further, come down onto your forearms. And if you want a little bit more, place that right forearm around the right foot, walking the right foot a little bit towards more your midline. And for an even more intense stretch, bring the left hand forward and the right hand back. And if you still wish to take this further, you can bring that knee off the mat. This will require more strength, and do the same one we just did with your arms extended. You can come onto your forearms also with the knee off the ground. Hug that right foot, walk the right foot more towards your midline. Do Utthan Pristhasana, grabbing your hands in a bind behind your back. This will require more balance. Walk the hands towards the outer edges of your mat as far as you can. Bring the knee down and find yourself a half split to counter pose. And don't forget to repeat this all on the left side. Happy yoga, everybody!